At the ILA Berlin Air Show 2024, German company Avalis GmbH unveiled the world's first rescue drone, designed for evacuating casualties and transporting cargo in high-risk zones. The drone is powered by a 240 kilowatt electric motor and can reach speeds of up to 86 kilometers per hour. It has a maximum flight altitude of 2.1 kilometers and a range of 51 kilometers. With a payload capacity of up to 135 kilograms, the drone named Grill features a medical compartment to safely transport injured individuals, making it a highly effective tool for medical evacuation in hazardous environments. The use of such a drone reduces costs and enhances safety for both casualties and rescue teams. Currently, the German military is evaluating the drone for potential future deployment. Recently, the American company General Dynamics Land Systems unveiled an integrated solution under the Mission Command on the Move program, featuring the MUTT-XM robotic platform and the V60 robot developed by Ghost Robotics Company. The MUTT-XM, or Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, is a versatile robotic vehicle designed to support troops by transporting equipment, ammunition, and supplies, as well as performing reconnaissance and combat support tasks. Complementing this system is the V60 quadrupedal robot from Ghost Robotics Company. This four-legged robot specializes in reconnaissance, surveillance, and light cargo transport. Its unique design enables it to navigate complex terrains effectively, including narrow urban spaces, forests, and mountainous areas. The Turkish army continues to advance by integrating cutting-edge weaponry, exemplified by the Sungur short-range man-portable air defense system developed by Roketsan Company. Sungur is designed to provide short-range air defense for both mobile and stationary assets on the battlefield. Its portability and compatibility with multiple platforms make it a versatile air defense solution. Key specifications include an effective range of up to 8 kilometers and an effective altitude of up to 4 kilometers. It is equipped with advanced targeting systems that enable detection, identification, and tracking of targets at extended ranges and any time of a day. Sungur completed rigorous testing and was officially adopted by the Turkish Armed Forces in 2023, reinforcing Turkey's defense capabilities with a highly reliable and mobile air defense system. Russia has recently intensified the development of military robots, ranging from support systems and reconnaissance units to combat platforms. One notable project is the Bratishka robotic platform, which has successfully passed trials and is now deployed in active service. This compact unmanned vehicle was designed to support assault groups and transport supplies, but its primary function is to provide fire support, being equipped with a turret-mounted weapon system. Bratishka is remotely controlled, significantly reducing risks for its operators. The platform is capable of navigating rough terrain and performing tasks in challenging conditions. In combat scenarios, it is effectively utilized for enemy suppression and reconnaissance missions. China continues to modernize its military by actively integrating new technologies. At the 15th International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, held in November 2024 in Zhuhai, China Electronics Technology unveiled a new generation of combat robots in the form of robotic dogs, referred to as robotic wolves. These devices showcase China's advanced achievements in military robotics and artificial intelligence. The robotic dogs are equipped with 4 limbs, granting them high maneuverability and the ability to traverse complex and rugged terrain. They can autonomously disembark from transport vehicles and operate in teams, executing commands from an operator. Some models are armed with combat modules including firearms, making them suitable for direct engagement in combat operations. These robots are particularly effective in reconnaissance, patrolling, and tactical missions. Their integrated AI systems enable them to analyze their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and interact seamlessly with both humans and other robotic machines. The presentation of robotic dogs at Airshow China 2024 highlights China's significant progress in military robotics and its commitment to integrating these technologies into future military systems. Anduril Industries has developed a versatile loitering munition called the Altius 700M, designed for precision strikes against armored targets and critical infrastructure. The Altius 700M can be deployed from various platforms, including ground, aerial, and maritime carriers, offering exceptional operational flexibility. Its autonomous capabilities allow it to coordinate strikes on multiple targets, enhancing mission efficiency. The munition features a 15-kilogram warhead, comparable to a small missile, making it highly effective against tanks, vehicles, ships, and fortified infrastructure. Its significant payload, high terminal velocity, and delayed fuse capability enable it to penetrate walls and maximize impact against heavily armored targets. The Altius 700M represents a major advancement in loitering munitions, combining substantial payload capacity, precision targeting, and versatile deployment options to meet the demands of modern warfare. The Russian army has unveiled a new ground robotic system named the BRG-1, designed for both casualty evacuation and cargo delivery. Developed with the challenges of combat conditions in mind, the BRG-1 features a robust tracked platform capable of navigating rugged terrain at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. The system has a load capacity of up to 250 kilograms, enabling it to transport medical stretchers with injured personnel. The primary mission of the BRG-1 is to reduce risks for medics and soldiers in conflict zones by performing tasks remotely at distances of up to 700 meters. Equipped with video cameras and a control system, the BRG-1 allows operators to perform missions from a safe location. The robot is constructed with 90% domestically produced components, and its development was a collaborative effort involving Russian scientific and industrial organizations, as well as the People's Frontline Fund. At the recent FINDEF Defense exhibition in Spain, the French defense company CNIM unveiled its unmanned military demining robot named Rocus. The centerpiece of the Rocus system is its versatile manipulator, equipped with a range of specialized tools. Among these is an end effector, which can function as a standard claw for gripping and lifting objects, or as advanced equipment capable of tasks such as wire cutting or component unscrewing. Designed for a wide array of tasks related to detecting and neutralizing mines and explosive devices in challenging environments, Rocus is fitted with a tracked chassis for navigating rough terrain. Its sensor suite allows for precise threat detection, and the robot is operated remotely, ensuring the safety of personnel in hazardous situations. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Caro Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.